Meanwhile, the breach in COVID-19 protocols at the Golden Age home is now the focus of an investigation. Health officials and representatives from the Ministry of Local Government insist before the recent outbreak, measures were in place to prevent infection. So what went wrong? Kirk Wright picks up that story.
A flood of health practitioners descended on the Golden Age home in Vineyard Town, St. Andrew on Wednesday.
Yes, 300 and something to screen, and we are aiming to do as many as we can today. We want to complete it by tomorrow. So we are trying to screen at least 250. If we can go more, we go more. So we have a large team here today. We have a team of 8, 12, 13, 14 swabbers, persons who would be taking the swabs today, to see how fast we can get through.
The local government minister who oversees the management of the Golden Age home and infirmaries says they have been testing inmates and staff since May 14. There's a hand washing station at the entrance of the home, and employees tell us they are comfortable with the safety protocols in place. Minister Tufton outlined a slew of safety measures he observed at the home when he visited there weeks ago. He described this setup as fairly good, but argued a lot more depended on how it's used.
I am not there every day, neither is Minister Mackenzie, to determine whether a worker who is supposed to change breaches that periodically. I don't know, I'm not saying that is the case, or whether the sanitization should be an automatic thing happens, or the wearing of masks. The truth is that a lot now depends on the management of the institution.
Minister Tufton says in spite of that, mistakes were still possible, but stayed clear of saying there was a breach. Desmond Mackenzie, however, was blunt.
The fact is that we can't deny that there has to be some breach why the virus has infected so many persons. And based on the testing that has been done and the tracing and the limited information that we know, it is clear that it is out of those breaches that the residents were infected.
The local government minister says results largely show that the protocols are being followed in a majority of the infirmaries island-wide. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.